So, see how I took a few pictures of this item moving? Okay, you guys are gonna create a movie where, you know, you have like a plan for what's gonna move where. Now that's what I said. Remember, work in pairs. One of you, yeah. But what do you think?
Does it stand up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the football falls down.
Oh, look at that.
You can just wait for
Cool. So how are you gonna make that car and that robot interact? What do you think that car and the robot could do together? Let's move all the pieces over here to the open space. And then let's see how we're gonna make them turn into this robot. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think the car rolls into the scene first, maybe, and then joins up with this piece? Think about how you want to position all the pieces, okay? And then try to act it out.
Okay, everybody, there's about 10 minutes left for you guys to work on your movie.
Where did I share? Wait, I'll tell you when to draw.
The robot.
You want to like fold it up? We haven't write the.
Okay, so first names, and then give the movie whatever you want it to be called. And we will, and then when it goes on YouTube, we'll put your names on it and the title on it. But just your first names, okay?
Next.
Because sometimes it's very tricky to get it pointing right up.
At
But
the.
this one we adjusted it 500 times because it was just.
Okay, this thing.
Next.